or removing all the columns from the table. Going called deleting, better let me call deleting. Going or deleting specific or specific or all the columns, all the rows, not columns, all the rows from the table. Fine. We'll go for merging two tables in the form of joins. So first of all, you should know what is the purpose of data manipulation language, guys. Data manipulation language is a SQL commands which contains responsible for manipulating data stored in a table, which responds for manipulating or changing, manipulating data stored in a table, stored in a table. So guys, EDL, I can call, it's not EDL. As of my knowledge, last time what was the magic, I don't know just now. As of my knowledge, DML commands are not auto committed. But last time my MySQL prompt has been quit automatically. So the records was saved. The first record, the last session, the last DDL session. So as of my knowledge, DML commands are not auto saved, or you can call, or auto committed. Auto saved or auto committed. So means a programmer or SQL developer need to commit manually. So auto saving or commit are not permanent. So changes are not permanent. So we can roll back. Auto committed or even not auto committed. Even programmer can roll back. Also. Do not save it permanently. Permanent. Even programmer can roll back. Fine guys, let us see now one by one. Inserts. First let me go for insert. So how can I able to perform insertion operation? So whenever there is a need to insert a new record or to add a new record to the already created tables, then we can use insert command, or you can use insert DML command. So we go for inserting. So before going to insert, I need a table. So I use any one table and dummy table, SQL. So I can have one staff. So let's already inserted the records. What is the syntax? Guys. The command. So table name, then followed by, there are two forms of inserting the values: specific columns, all columns, or change of order columns, guys. So last time I tried by just by using all the columns. So the normal commands: insert into table name. So if you don't want to use values, but initially you need to mention all the column names. So all the column names, all the column names, I'm using dot. And you can go for values and there val1, or you can go for dot values and statement. This is one. Whenever you want to insert specific columns or all the columns, you can mention those specific columns in the same order, and same order values need to mention. Same name or same values order need to mention, guys. One more syntax if you want to go for, this is for specific to specific, or you can go for number of columns to number of values. If you're not interested to mention all the column names, you can use same syntax. Just you need to remove columns value, you need to remove the column names. But in this syntax, But the problem with this syntax, so this for this second syntax, need to provide need to provide need to provide all the column values, all the column values compulsorily, all the column values compulsorily, all the column values compulsory, all the providing all the column values is compulsory, because here we are not mentioning the column names, we are not mentioning the column names. But in this case, you can mention all the column names, or you can mention specific columns as well as their specific values. Suppose a table contains 10 column and you are not interested to insert all 10 column values, and you are taking only 4 columns for the choice. So mention 4 column names, and 4 column values only, 4 column values only. But if you use second syntax forces to the developer or forces to the user to insert all column values. Let us see the example. Let us see example. But before we want to insert, just you need to know the rules. So rules for, suppose like an example, you are trying to insert the date, you are trying to insert the rates. So guys, for to insert the data, generally date format for MySQL, we have this date format, dd-mm. So the value for this date, you need to insert in a single quote only. You need to insert in a single quote only, 2019. You can call 2019 hyphen, or the column name, sorry, month in dd YYY month, then dd, sorry, here is hyphen and some 30. Okay, fine. So you can observe the value is in single quote, guys. But while inserting the date value, or you can go for date time, or you can go for timestamp also, those values must be enclosed in a single quote. One more stuff, whenever try to insert this text values, or you can go for string values, you can call string values. Those string values also should be enclosed in a single quotes. So these values also enclosed in a single quotes. Directly you cannot insert, because whenever you try to insert the text, suppose I am trying to insert Ganesha, I am trying to insert the employee name. So Ganesha, Shankar and Lord. So this is a single name, a full name of an employee. Okay, full name of an employee. So first name, middle name and last name. So you can see here spaces are there. Because of these spaces, the value may distribute because of space as a delimiter. So to combine that, you need to use single quote. Guys. So keep in mind, text, when you try to insert the text, when you try to insert the character, single digit character also, you need to use single quotes. Okay, fine. Then for numbers, you can pass numbers, numbers you can pass directly without using single quotes, guys. Without using single quotes, so you no need of single quotes. So guys, these are the rules you need to take care. Also, okay guys, fine, let me show that. We go for inserting the values. First of all, this is MySQL. So employee ID integer, name varchar, gender varchar, date of birth date, salary float. I want to add one table into staff. I want to add one column into staff. So alter table, staff, add. Just you need to observe one stuff, guys. You need to observe one stuff. What should I add here? So if I'm adding here phone number, first of all, you can go for varchar. Also, and you can go for number also. Okay. Why? Because just let me show that example. Varchar of, suppose phone number. If I go for 12 digits, here semicolon. Phone is already exist. So describe staff. So phone is added. Now you can see here varchar. You can see here varchar, guys. Okay, fine. Now you can see this problem. What is my intention is to show here. Uh, a phone you can enter as a single digits, as a single codes also, or you can go for numbers also. Suppose now just let here five. So I have to type here integer. Now let me insert the record. Go for the insert into staff values. I'm inserting compulsorily to the name, guys. Going for Ganesha and gender. Can go for gender, male, female. Then salary. I can go for some digits. How many digits? 10 digits, right? So I can go fractional values. Then phone number. You can add the phone number directly. Semicolon. So column count doesn't match. Oh, date of birth I forget to add. So to Ganesha, then after gender, then you can add here or add one more comma. So for date of birth means in date format. What should I use here, guys? I need to use single quote. I need to use single quote. Suppose I'm adding 1997, 96, some at the month, maybe third month, 03, then any guys, 15. Okay, fine. One record inserted. I'm trying to insert one more record. So one, may add Shankara here. Shankara male, and his date of birth, suppose 90, and some salary are different. His mobile number is some different. Trying to add dummy values. That's it. So two records. Here, let me add here 3. Lord Shankara. Then let me go for Parvati, Saraswati, then male. Okay, guys. So I added some records. Let's start from staff. Okay, fine. So now just do observe here. I have inserted all the columns. I have inserted all the columns, all the column values. Just as I said to you, if you look at example in the second syntax, the second syntax forces us. The second syntax forces us to insert all the values. The second syntax forces us to insert all the values. Okay. Okay, network problem. 1 KB, 2 KB. What's the problem, guys? Always problem. Network. शुभी मोबाइल में मसले का नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम इज नेटवर्क इतना ही था करने को उतना ही है विजिट क्रिएट सो शेयर शेयर द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस नॉट अवेलेबल Zoom. Error, please try. What is that? Don't connect now itself. It. Let me sharing. Mute. Your head. Okay, guys, fine. I'm audible. I'm audible, guys. Actually, because of network, everything has been stopped. So what was my intention is to show this example. If you look at this example, so when I try to insert this query without a date of birth, by using only values, by using only values. So for the second example syntax. So here I haven't inserted the date of birth. It haven't inserted the date of birth. It has shown the error. It has shown the error. Means it is forcing here. MySQL is forcing here to insert the stuff, to insert the values as a date of birth. To insert the date of birth values into my table. Okay, that's the problem. That's the problem. Means for the second syntax makes the compulsory to insert all the values, whereas first syntax does not forces us to insert all the values. Let me go for first syntax now. If you observe here, it is forcing 1 column, 2 column, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. In the first time, when I try to insert only, instead of 6 column, when I try to insert only 5 column values, it has shown error. What is that? Column count doesn't match. Column count doesn't match. It has shown the error. Means it is forcing us to fill all the column values. It is forcing us to fill all the column values. Fine. Oof. Let me go for now forcing. So insert into one more way. That is with specific column values. Specific column values. Okay. Insert into, not for all columns. Specific columns. Insert describe staff. So insert into staff. So here staff. What are the column names, guys? I want to insert into employee ID. Then I want to insert into name. Then I want to insert into gender. I want to skip 2 columns like gender and date of birth. I want to skip. I want to add salary. Only 4 column value I want to add. Salary. The next I want to add phone. Then you can go for values. Suppose I'm trying to add 5. Then Mahadeva. Then I can add here. I can add here. What is the next? Employee ID is 5. Then name, salary. I can add some salary. Then next I can add a phone number, right? Yes, phone number is next one. Next semicolon. You can see here, guys, only one record with specific column size. Specific column size. It doesn't mean that you can go for that sequence. You can change the sequence also. You can change the sequence also. Now I don't want to insert second column. Name. I want to skip that second column. Okay, fine. 5. Now here I'm not inserting. Again error may throw. So yes. Now means it doesn't matter what are the columns you follow. Suppose now first I want to insert phone. I'm changing the order now. Phone. And next let me go for then date of birth. Let me go for salary. I'm going in reverse order. Salary. Phone, date of birth, salary, then name, then gender, then employee ID. I'm going in some other order, different order, guys. So let me change here phone number, some phone number. Then what is next? Date of birth. Suppose 2020. Suppose 5 and in date of birth. Then what is next? Salary, some salary, guys. Then next what is the name? Name is that. I can add here where I'm going to 10 minutes of time to So you can add a Mauli. Then after adding Mauli, then gender. I'm going for single character F female. Then employee ID. Suppose if I add 88. Okay, guys. So hit enter. So one row affected. Means even if you change the column order and those column values if you insert, then also the query will execute. Fine. So here select star from staff. You can see here, guys. I have tried to add the values in a different order, but that value will be fixed that specific order only. Column specific value, column order. Okay, guys. Fine. I get the mark. This fashion. Fine, guys. I hope you are clear about inserting. One more stuff I forget to tell you. More stuff forget to tell you. Where is that? One more point. Let me add here in this MySQL. So let me go for describe stuff. Describe stuff. Guys. So here you can see an integer phone number, right? Now let me insert one more record. So where? So employee ID, salary, employee ID, name, and just do observe here employee name, name. That's it. Salary and phone number. So now look at here. I'm adding here Yogesh. Suppose I'm adding here Yogesh, and just you need to observe, guys. Fine. This is for salary. I'm trying to add the phone number. Begin with the 0. 9876543. Okay, fine. This is the phone number, right? Insert into staff and the values. So when I try to insert, now you can see a difference. Select star from staff. So when I try to insert the values by using the 0, begin with the 0. It is not considering a 0. Okay, are you getting, guys? How can I resolve this problem? How can you resolve this problem, guys? You can resolve this problem whenever you try to insert the values by using 0 and you want begin with the 0. You can insert by using, let me, guys, do you have you understood the problem with this syntax? Insert into staff, employee ID, name, salary, phone, values, and the values, list of values. But if you observe here, phone I try to start with the 0. I try to insert by using 0, but 0 is not inserted. Guys, do you observe here? But now I want to insert with 0. Guys. Suppose if I'm going for promote some different values, promote and some different ID to get the field. And now I want to insert the 0. You can do by using directly typecasting. So you can see here now. Promote. Even though 0 is not affected here. So you can solve by using single quotes, but single quote is also not affecting here. Single quote. No duplicate, not double quote, single quote. Single quote should comes here. How can I able to solve this problem? Even if I try by using single quote also, even if I try by using without single quote also. How many digits? 11 digits, right? 1, 2, 5, 8. Yes, guys. Start from to get 0. My expectation is to show 0, guys. So 0 has been removed. Even if you change the varchar is not suitable because it's a phone number. So guys, that let me go for now. Now I want to show whenever you try to insert by using number with a 0 and 0, it is showing only numbers without 0. Now let me go for altering. Now you will come to know altering. Where is the alter? I try to alter the phone. Modify phone to int. Okay. Now I'll go for varchar. Now just see the difference, guys. See the difference. Varchar of, suppose I'm going for 12 digits. Fine. So show, yes, I can see here. Now I'm trying to insert the values. Now without 0, you can see here. Now you can see here, phone is of type varchar. Phone of type varchar, right? Phone is of type varchar. If you don't get the field, I'll show you now. So you are inserted now. Let me select start from stop. You can see here, last time record inserted. Last time 5 Yogesh. If you don't get the field, I will add dummy. I will add dummy here instead of 5, 55, and here I'll go with dummy. Dummy. Okay, fine. And some different values. Fine. Select. Now 55 dummy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to insert 15. Now one more some dummy values. Now you can try with the 0. And down arrow. Now if I add here somewhat 13, some other values. If I add here 0. Now see here. Again, you won't get any difference. You will get same. Oh, you will get same. So SDF 13 13. But now to get the difference, I can use single quote here. Now you can see stuff. Now 0 is coming. Now 0 is coming. But whenever you try to work with the integer, the problem with the integer, what are the values which has been preceded by the 0? That 0 will be skipped by the integer data type. Integer data type. As well as whenever you use a varchar and you try to insert integer, you try to insert the integer directly. Look at here. Just do observe. Here I try to insert the integer. Try to insert the integer in a varchar column called phone. Then also directly it has auto converted into that integer value to the varchar. Are you getting what I mean to say? It has converted that number value to varchar without preceding 0. But when I use single quotes, then it has treated as a characters only. Then it has treated as a character. If you don't use character, if you don't use single quote while trying to insert the numbers, it will treat as a number. But if you use single quote with numbers, then it will treat as those numbers as a characters, or you can call text. You can call text, guys. I hope you are clear what I'm trying to do. One time integer, one time varchar, and varchar without 0 with a 0, without single quote with single quote. Understood? Other student? अरे फक्त हो नका म्हणू. समजलं समजलं म्हणा, नसेल तरी नाही म्हणा. I can repeat. Students, JJM. Actually, to get the difference, I need to use that alter column syntax. I have to use that alter column syntax. Where is that alter column syntax? Yes. Earlier it was numbers. Again close here. Root use JJM. Before closing, it is committed. Put JJM show. Select star from top. Fine, guys. Query miss Ali. Let me type the query here. Let me give the explanation for your info. Okay. So guys, suppose I'm using some numbers. But if you try to insert the value, like the value without single quotes in varchar column, in varchar data type column, we are having 1 minute of time for the meeting. If you try to insert the value like varchar column, this problem. Right, then here the values in this. Then insert, then it shares, stores the value, stores the phone number value, or you can call value 2 5 6 7 8 9 without 0, without leading with 0, without leading with 0, here 0. Okay, because int values, because values are number values, we automatically int values automatically converted to values will be automatically converted to internally. So to solve the problem, to solve this problem, use single quote, value as it is, and solve. Okay guys, so this is the explanation about this problem without 0, with a 0, without 0 and with a 0. Okay guys, now we shall see about update. So first of all, let me create a new table. Last time I tried to create a new table. Oh, select star from student. Will not exist. Show tables. Select star from student. Star. The tables is star from dummy. Data is there. No. Select star from 2 1. एक और पुशआउट नहीं है. Student 1. Put नहीं है. We insert the records, guys. So otherwise, let me use the dummy records, guys. Create a table. I want to create duplicate tables of staff. So create table staff 1, like staff, describe staff describes, and let me insert the record. I want to copy all the records, guys. So insert into, I want to copy one table record into another table record, so you can see here. So staff 1 is there and staff is there. So select star from staff, select star from staff. So you can see these records, and select star from staff 1. There are no records. I want to copy all the records of staff to staff 1. So you can use the syntax. You can use similar syntax. Insert into, scroll up, insert into staff 1, insert into staff 1. Then I can use here select a star from, what is my table name, staff. I want to insert all the records of staff to staff 1. Okay, so guys, you can see here 16 rows affected. 16 rows affected. So whenever you want to copy or you want to copy a table structure as well as new table, then you can use this syntax. Add here, create a new table, and copy and copy one table data to new table. Okay, fine. Or copy all records, all table. New table. So you can use this syntax, guys. Insert into staff one, and you can means what will happen. First, this next query will be executed. Query execution starts from right to left. So first selects all the records from staff and insert into staff one. So get all the records from staff and insert into staff one. So whenever I fire the query, so you can see here. So select star from staff one. Sorry, select star from staff one. You can see here all 16 records. All 16 record which has copied from staff to staff one. Staff to staff one. You can see here staff one is mentioned. So in this way you can able to copy. Guys. So then we'll go for updating now. First in the copying, creating table. There was one more way is there. Let me try that one more way of creating table and copying. So create table. Let me create one more table without creating new table. So create table staff new or staff 2 as by using as clause. So select star from staff. Work. Yes, works, guys. Works. It creates a table as well as copies the data in a single statements. Mark. Select star from. Select star from staff 2 semicolon. Guys, this is the single syntax where you can create the structure as well as copy the contents also. So, or you can go created 2 rows. Here you need to go for 2. Here it's single line. It is in single line. Okay, guys, fine. Means in a single if you observe the syntax, there are two commands I executed or 2 statements I have fired, but in these statements table also created and record also copied. Guys. Okay, fine. This is more than enough. We'll go for insert. Now it's time to go for updating the records. Updating the records or data. You can call rows. Fine. Okay, guys. The time is I can call time is 11:20. So I wish will continue. Say no. Tell me.